In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create presentation with Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're starting from scratch or polishing an idea, I'll walk you through a clear, simple workflow so you can build a clean, engaging deck with confidence. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can launch the app on your computer, or, if you prefer working in the browser, head to office.com and choose PowerPoint. Once you're in, you'll see options for templates. If you want full control, choose Blank Presentation to start fresh. If you'd like a head start with coordinated colors and layouts, pick a pre-designed template that fits your topic and tone. Next, add your slides. Go to the Home tab and click New Slide, or press Ctrl+M to move faster. As you add slides, choose layouts that match your content. For example, begin with a title slide to introduce your topic, then follow with a title and content layout for your main points. If you want to compare ideas or place an image beside text, To Content is a great choice. Changing layouts early helps keep your structure tidy and consistent. Now, add your content. Click directly in the text boxes to type your headlines and supporting text. Keep sentences concise and readable. To bring your story to life with visuals, go to Insert, then Pictures, and choose images that are high quality and relevant. If you need simple visuals or callouts, go to Insert, then Shapes or Icons to add arrows, buttons, symbols, and more. Align items neatly and use consistent sizing so everything looks intentional and professional. When your content is in place, add motion thoughtfully. For slide-to-slide flow, open the Transitions tab and select a transition that suits your style. For object-level movement, click an image or text box. Go to the Animations tab and try effects like appear, fly in, or spin. A light touch goes a long way. Use animation to guide attention, not to distract from your message. To unify the look, go to the Design tab and explore themes for consistent colors and fonts across every slide. If you want deeper control, adjust the Slide Master to set default layouts, placeholders, and styling. This ensures headers, footers, and formatting stay consistent as your presentation grows. Before wrapping up, preview your work. Press F5 to run the slideshow and check readability, pacing, and transitions. Finally, save your file by going to File, then Save As, and choose the PPTX format so it opens smoothly in PowerPoint wherever you need it.